Hello everyone, and welcome to the farm. Right now I'm broadcasting from the back 40, as it were. It's actually just a back quadrant. But I want to talk about this patch of ground that I've got here. Uh, this year we're going to be planting some sorghum in the hopes that come this fall we'll be able to make some syrup. And I hope to be able to bring you that video when we do that. But sorghum is planted a lot like corn, and I've been able to plant it in rows, and so I'm going to do a little demonstration of that for you as well. But first, let me show you my seeder that I'm using. All right. So this is my seeder that I'm using. It's a one-row seeder, so it only does one row at a time. The bottom shoe here can be adjusted to the depth that you wish to set your seed. Then you've got this wheel on the front, which is connected to a belt, which turns this cog, and you put your seed on the inside, and there's different plates that you use, and it picks up the seed, drops it down this little hopper, down through there, and sets it. And then you've got a little chain here in the background that covers up the seed, and you just keep going. It's a very efficient, practical machine. Now I've modified it with this stick, and that helps me set the rows. And so I just drag that little chain in the first row I made, and so every row thereafter is exactly the same width, thereabouts, depending if I can walk straight or not. But let me give you a demonstration of how this machine actually works. But anyway, that's how it works. Very simple. Now hopefully I will be able to bring you back a little later and give you guys a progress report about how the sorghum is coming along. And then when we have the opportunity to make some syrup, I hope to offer you the exciting benefit of seeing that happen. So until next time, thank you very much.